As promised, here's the salsa recipe. Start by blistering over medium-high heat 4 tomatoes, 3 jalapenos, 1 pepper, 3 garlic cloves, and a quarter red onion. This labor of love salsa takes time and patience. You have to really blister or tatemar every little ingredient. Yes, the garlic is unpeeled and everything is super dark and blistered. That's where we're getting the flavor from. Once the peppers are super charred, we're gonna take them out and get rid of the ends. It's up to you if you wanna keep the seeds or not. We like them. Now the easiest part, pile everything up in your blender cup, add the cilantro, add a little bit of salt. If water is needed, you're gonna add a splash of water. And when you blend them, you gotta pulse. Pulse like it was done in a molcajete. You do not want it super smooth. I'm gonna run and make myself another batch of breakfast burritos to go with it. Buen provecho! I'm making salsa verde to take to a friend's house, but it has to be mild because there will be kids eating it. Let's start by roasting some tomatillos, which is not the same as tomatoes, some garlic, and a quarter of a white onion with some serrano pepper and a chile pasilla. We really want to char those tomatillos and the onion on all sides. The garlic needs to be peeled before adding it to the blender. Usually, tomatillos take a little bit longer to get ready. And the last thing is going to be the pasilla chile. We're going to take the seeds out before putting everything in the blender with vegetable bouillon, salt, and water. Once it's nice and blended, I'm adding chopped cilantro. Taste the seasoning to see if it's to your liking, in case you need to add more salt. For me, this was perfect. Buen provecho! Let's make plant-based potato beef taco balls. Start by mixing chopped potatoes with olive oil, adobo, and hot water. While that's roasting in the preheated oven, let's make the salsa verde. Add tomatillos, onion, jalapeno, and peeled garlic into boiling water. Cook it for about 10 minutes, then transfer everything to the blender with a cup of the cooking liquid, veggie bouillon, lime juice, and blend until smooth. And now to the taco meat. Start by sauteing onion with a little bit of salt and tomatoes in olive oil. Add the vegan meat with taco seasoning and the slurry. Cook until reduced, then add the vegan cheese. Once the potatoes are crunchy on the outside and creamy on the inside, you know that they're done. Now just start layering. I had some vegan chipotle mayo leftovers, so I added that, and oh my goodness, it was so delicioso. Buen provecho! Yes.